Welcome to my YouTube channel. I don't talk like that, but was trying to do a wig review. The intention was to get the wig and then review it and then, you know, wear it as my own property, but obviously came to a situation where I had to go out and I was like, oh, this is gonna look sick, I want to look peng in it, so let me put on the wig. But maybe I could review it right before I leave, but I didn't have time for that, so I just left, cut the lace, I didn't even pluck it or nothing like that. Yeah, I just cut it and I left the house. So yeah, don't really have pictures of it before, like as soon as it came out of the box, because as soon as it came out of the box, yeah, it looks mad different. Yeah, not like completely different, like, but the curls are like super compact, so you kind of have to comb it gently to like loosen it a little bit, give it body, but don't do it too much, because if you do it too much then your hair will come out flat and straight. You still want that body, you know what I mean? This is my second wear. I'm staying home, like put it on just for this video, and I want to cut it. I'm not gonna lie, I do want to cut like a bang, because that was my whole intention. When I saw this girl, can't remember her name, but she had the hair, she had the wig, and she cut her bangs into it, and it looks so 70s. Like it was really giving. And I've tried to do 70s hair before, but every time I've done it, I can't curl human hair for shit. It's not holding the curls the way this synthetic. Yeah, bro, do you see that? You see movement? Like when I go left, it comes with me. When I go right, it comes with me. That's crazy, because that was not my left and that was not my right. Like definitely had that confused, but it's okay. At the end of the day, did I die? My head is large, so I can't just be wearing like regular one size fits all. Baby, I'm not all. I'm not like these other babes. My head is large, so the wig does not fit me, I will not lie. The whole nape, all the end of my braids, yeah, is just sticking out, because obviously like the wig doesn't reach all the way to the back. But if I pull it all the way to the back, then you'll see my hairline. So I'd rather have it a bit, you know, forward. But it doesn't really matter, because at the end of the day, it's like, you know, like it covers, it's thick enough. I love the wig because it's not thin. Like sometimes you get wigs, yeah, and you're thinking, yeah, like this looks sick on the model, like this is gonna be me, like Insta babe, I'm gonna be the baddest of bad. You come, it's thin as paper. Huh? What do you mean? That babe was doing, you know when they do, and it's just, yeah, it feels like a curtain, like it's thick. When you do it, it feels like it has 5 strands. I don't remember how much I bought it for. Came off point. If you have a big head, it's not gonna fit you. But obviously, if you don't care, like me, then it's vibes. Just do what you're doing, innit? I know some people with big heads, they do cut into the wig, so it like expands and kind of gives them more room to like fit comfortably. And that is really confident of you, because I know if I cut the wig, it will continue to rip, and then I'll have 2 halves. Yeah, I won't have a wig, I will have one here and one there. Yeah, so I just know my limits. Like some people are very talented. Me, I can only do so much in this life. Another thing about the wig, can I say it tangles? Yeah, you can't really run your hands through it. Like when you first get it, you can, yeah, but after a while, like after the first wear, I would say, it's like it gets a bit, as in like there's irritation. I did not have time to like do any type of bleaching of knots. I didn't have time to even powder the lace of the wig. Yeah, when I tell you on camera, it looks like scalp. Like in person, the person will probably be able to see the lace, so maybe if you want to glue it down or something like that. Yeah, in person you can kind of do see the lace, but it's not that deep. Like at the end of the day, you know, lace is lace, bitch. I bought the wig, it's mine. Because the clothing theme was Alien Galactic, I tried and I came up with all white. Basic, but it got the job done, you know, got a lot of compliments. It just kept on moving because obviously the wig is like not very secure. Oh, it has clips though. I don't remember where the clips are. It has a clip at the back for sure. For the rest of them, hold on, let me check. I think it's at the side. Yeah, one at the side and another at the side here. I would show you underneath, but in my mind I feel like you already know what clips look like, so why am I wasting my time? And this is what I mean by I have a big head. Like, it doesn't cover any of my edges. It came with baby hairs and I didn't cut them or anything, I just left them out. And because they're there, they kind of like they kind of disguise it. When it comes to light, like if it comes to flash photography, you might see a little bit of a line, you know. When you get close up, you can definitely see the line. It's giving net, but from a distance, like if you're not looking for it, bitch, you will not find it. I usually keep my wig here instead of like right at my hairline, because when I glue it, I put the glue on my excess forehead. Because why would I put glue on my edges? Like, I've got enough forehead to go around. Like, I'm just pulling out my edges for what? Who am I proving myself to? Nobody. Exactly. I don't know why I went on that rant. But yeah, we're gonna cut it. What the girl did in the video, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't look for the video, I didn't even search it up again. But I remember what she did. She kind of, what's it called? She kind of did, like, you know, picked some from the front. Yeah. See? That's good. That's sick. What? That kind of already looks like it. I was gonna make it a little bit shorter. I might. Wow, that looks good. Like, you can still see my forehead, but at the same time it's like, okay, you're gonna beat me up. Wow, what a fine babe. Yeah, this is how much hair I cut off. I think that's quite a lot, actually. I don't, like, I could add more at the end of the day, but like, who am I proving myself to? Like, if I decide to add more in the future, then great. I just fucked it up. Okay, I might add this part because it's annoying me. Yeah, I'll add this part. Okay, cool. Because it was doing too much, like from one side to another side. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if I showed you the back of there. Round of applause for the dress. Hopefully it was moving. Imagine if it wasn't moving and I was doing all that head shaking to show you stiffness. I did a little bit of foof here. Now suddenly I'm a housewife. Yeah? Suddenly I'm that girl next door. Hold on. Like, they pull apart, but you know, when you feel a little bit of friction, you don't really want to upset anybody, so you have to be gentle with the wig. You don't want to make anybody angry because you have places to be. There's no need to be fighting. Yeah, I think that's the end of the video. This looks good. I think that's it. I don't really have anything else to say, but this was fun. Cute. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.